Hey y'all, and yes, we're back with another something that is, when I say easy, it is easy. We're doing jerk barbecue chicken today. So here it is. Go to your favorite fried chicken place, wherever it is, your grocery store, favorite restaurant, whatever. Get you some of that. We've got the jerk marinade and your favorite barbecue sauce. Oh, yeah, because we're going to be saucy today, honey. So there goes my barbecue sauce that I have there. Oh, yeah. And then we're just going to put about 3/4 of a teaspoon of that jerk marinade. We don't want to put too much. We want that little spiciness there, but we also want that barbecue to be shining through, honey. So there goes the sugar, the brown sugar at that, because, those sweetness ain't never hurt nobody. And there is my liquid smoke. Now, whenever I do barbecue, I have to put in liquid smoke, and we're doing shortcuts today. We ain't standing over no stove for no long period of time. We ain't doing none of that. We just put a little dab of liquid smoke with a cap full. We're going to combine all of that goodness all together. I know it looks like it's not too much, but it is. And it's going to be just enough for what I wanted to do. Of course, if you're going to be doing more chicken pieces, then you go ahead and you do what you have to do. You add a little bit more. And of course, you want to taste it, make sure that that's what you want. So I have my baking pan and I put the rack in there because, honey, we're looking for a shortcut and cleanup too, okay? And of course, whatever juices may be flowing from the chicken, we want to make sure that that's not on the pan. So we're just going to put the rack in there just for a little bit of insurance of sorts, okay? So then now we're going to go ahead and get our barbecue little something that we did with the jerk. So we're going to take our jerk barbecue sauce and just paint it over the chicken. Oh yeah, we're going to paint it on both sides. Why? Because we eat both sides, duh. So we're just going to get this coated on all of our chicken, and you want to get it in every nook and cranny, okay? Of course, you can put whatever sides you want to put it with. It's totally up to you. But the main thing here is your protein, which is your jerk barbecue chicken. Okay, so you can go ahead, make it seem like you just slave over the stove. You had to bread it, you had to fry it, you had to do it, and you went the extra mile and barbecue it. Now just look at that. When I say it's sticky, good, ooh, like, comment, share, and subscribe.